Hello, and welcome to ARM Studios. My name is Rita Johnson-Greene, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer at the Alliance for Regenerative Medicine, and I have the pleasure of interviewing Erin Kimbrel, the head of cell and gene therapy at Astellas. Kimbrel, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thanks for having me.
Wonderful. And so before I start, I just want to thank Erin, you as well as the entire Astellas team for being sponsors of Meeting on the Mesa, as well as ARM Studios. We're just grateful for your continued support and dedication to ARM and the cell and gene therapy community. So Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
So let's start with big biopharma. You know, one of the things that we hear consistently is that big biopharma is not interested in cell and gene therapy. And we know that Astellas is very interested in cell and gene therapy. And so can you talk a little bit about Astellas' commitment to cell and gene therapy and your thoughts on the future of the field?
Yeah, sure. So Astellas, has sort of a mantra of turning innovative science into value for patients. And I think, there's a recognition several years ago that there are no more low-hanging fruit out there, right? And so using a new modality to bring transformative benefit to patients was really something that Astellas saw great value in. And while the road hasn't necessarily been easy, there have been challenges along the way, I think you really need to have resiliency in order to persevere in this space.
No, absolutely. I couldn't agree more. And yes, the road has been challenging, but again, grateful for Astellas' commitment to cell and gene therapy into this sector. And so that kind of leads me to the next question, which is really around, can you talk a little bit about Astellas' pipeline and just, the future of the pipeline and some of the clinical programs that you have?
Sure. Yeah, so Astellas has three key areas in cell and gene. The first is neuromuscular. And that's predominantly with our AAV-based gene therapy platform. We have 3 programs in the clinic right now, 2 for XLMTM and 1 for Pompe disease. And so we're really looking to use our footprint in the rare monogenic disease space to really gain experience and to build our capabilities so that we can then eventually expand into larger indications to really maximize the value of the platform. And then in the cell space, we're focused predominantly within ophthalmology right now with our 7317 program for geographic atrophy.
Wonderful. I mean, there's so many exciting things going on. Just grateful for your participation and for the fact that you are part of the reason that ARM can say big biopharma like Astellas, which is a global biopharma company, is dedicated to cell and gene therapy and dedicated to ARM. So thank you.
Absolutely.